difference between trained and untrained mother. This is the EPL activity. In this activity, we have lots of EPL exercises. So we have 4 members in this group. I invite my members, Saima Qayyum as a untrained mother, Shazia Parvez as a trained mother, Aisha Tabassum as a child, and Shahila as a child. कौन सी मार्केट से अगर मुझे नहीं मिले तो आप गली में चलती हूँ, अगर नहीं मिले तो मैं आपकी ठीक है, मैं आपके लिए चले ठीक। आयशा प्लीज कम हेल्प मी। मैं ये भी लेके जाऊंगी। टाइम फैक्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मैक्सिमम 5 minutes। मम्मा शैलीला उनकी मम्मा को टी दे दीजिए। चलिए बिस्किट चाहिए। आती है 1 2 भी आती है, सब कुछ आता है। उसके लिए कितने कम ना आपने इतना गिराया। हमारी टीचर ने हमें बताया है कि टेबल पे जितना खाना रखा हो में अपनी क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से लेना चाहिए, जितना खाया जाए। और आपने इतना वेस्ट किया है खाना। देखिए हम आपके घर आए, ऐसे नहीं करते मेहमानों के साथ।
मैं आपको एक एडवाइस देना चाहती हूँ। क्या आप चाहेंगे कि आपका चाइल्ड बाय बिहेवियर गुड एटिक्यूट्स के साथ आगे की लाइफ को एंजॉय कर सके? तो मैं आपको एडवाइस करूँगी कि आप इसे मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल में एडमिशन करवाएं।
ये क्या होता है?
ये डिफरेंट स्टेजेस में चाइल्ड की हेल्प करता है बाय बिहेवियर। डिफरेंट उसकी एज में चेंजेस आ रही होती है, उसमें वो अपने आप को डेवलप कर सकता है। उसमें एटिकेट्स आ सकते हैं, जैसे की डिफरेंट मैनर्स आ सकते हैं। तो अगर आप चाहें तो इसे स्कूल में एडमिशन करवाएं। उसके बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं, आपको भी बहुत सारा फ़ायदा होगा और आपके के चाय
बैंड हाथ में डाल देना।
चलिए ठीक है, आप कल मेरे साथ चलिएगा। आप कल मुझे किसी अच्छे से स्कूल में ले जाइएगा ताकि मैं इसका एडमिशन कर पाऊँ। ठीक है, ओके, अल्लाह
Now can you hear me? Yes. Okay, the next group, the presentation is arranging books. Can we have that group? And if they are not available, I'm going to move. I don't think so. So a group who is presenting peeling off egg, Batul, Mehak, Hina, Sidra, Madiha, and Iqra.
These members are Sabeen Ashir, Sanam Diaz, and Hira Tariq. Thank you. Please act. No, Hira, you cannot do like this. Please act like a Montessorian.
You are applying lotion.
Alright, it's okay. Look, my hands are also getting dry. Give me some lotion, so I will also apply it on my head. And now see very carefully how your mama is applying lotion.
दोनों मैम।
I think this is enough. Never keep the lid open. Okay, mama. Now see.
ये बांधेगी ना इसमें क्या करेगी?
My hands are small. Look at my hands. They are small. And there is no execution. You see, there is also there's no execution. Always keep the smoke into your lotion and keep the lid closed. I hope you will do like this never again. Of the lotion, indirect aim was exactness, precision, independence, self-grooming, eye and hand coordination, and the control of error was the dropping of the lotion and the improper handling of the lotion. Thank you.
Time. The others, everyone just should be ready because your name will be just very soon called out.
माइक पकड़ लेना।
मामा बस अब मुझे भूख लगी है, खाना लगाए तो गेस्ट भी आ गए हैं। अच्छा चलो आओ।
फरा को तो शायद किसी ने कुछ बताया ही नहीं। फरा, आपको आपकी मामा ने कुछ नहीं बताया?
नो, मेरी मामा ने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया।
पहले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ती हैं। बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ती हैं खाना शुरू करने से पहले। हाथ धोते हैं। आपने हैंड वॉश भी नहीं किया? बेटा ये तो बहुत बुरी बात है।
तो मैं तो हमेशा ऐसे ही खाती हूँ।
नहीं, आइंदा ख्याल रखिएगा।
आपने तो अपने बच्चे की बहुत अच्छी तरबियत करी है।
ये आपको पता है कि जब बच्चा 0 से 6 इयर्स की एज का होता है तो वो एब्सॉर्बेंट टाइम पीरियड में होता है। वो तमाम चीज़ें अपने इन्वायरमेंट से सीखता है। और मैं तो आपको भी यही कहूँगी कि आप बच्चों को सिखाएं और आप आपको लेना चाहिए स्टेप्स पे। ये सब किस तरह सीखा? आपको मालूम है लंदन मॉन्टेसरी इंटरनेशनल, आपको पता है ट्रेनिंग स्कूल है, टीचर्स को ट्रेनिंग देता है। आपको मालूम है मैरिड वुमेन्स को भी एडमिशन मिलता है वहाँ पर। उसमें एज का कोई फैक्टर नहीं है। यू शुड टू टेक एडमिशन इन लंदन मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल। इंशाल्लाह मैं भी यही करने की कोशिश करूँगी, अपनी बेटी को भी अच्छे मैनर सिखाऊंगी। ठीक है ना बेटा?
Group leader Faiza Khan, and activity sweeping and courtesy, and just in between the two other names that I had crossed out, called out. If you were ready, do let us know, like how to cross the road, peeling of eggs, and arranging books.
Members, friend Nishar Ahmed. Thank you. Oh, this place very untidy. Oh, my mama will punish me. What can I do?
I'm so sorry, Nishar.
Don't worry, Nishar. I am Montessorian and I am Montessorian and my teacher told me how to clean it. So don't worry, we are going to clean it. Where is broom? Okay, first you both of you take all the toys on its place and I am going to broom. Wait. Thank you.
Our activity name is sweeping. Direct aim is how to sweep properly and use broom. Use. Indirect aim is care of environment, patience, confidence, and point of interest is broom itself. And aim is 3.5.
Can you give me
On
the point?
verse. Today we will play our activity how to cross the road. Okay.
Guruj and Komal, today Auntie will show you a very interesting activity. Would you like to come with me?
Yes, Auntie. Okay, come.
Okay, come with me. Okay, Komal and Guruj, today I will tell you how to cross a road. And you know how to cross a road?
Yeah, Auntie.
Okay, I will tell you how to cross the road. Okay, now see, there is a signal and there is a red light, yellow light and a green light. You know the purpose of these lights? Okay, I will tell you. The red light is to stop and the yellow light is to be ready for going and the green light is to go. Okay, now the green light is on, so the traffic is going on, and when the red light is on, so we cross the road. And remember one thing, we always cross the road on the zebra crossing. See, this is zebra crossing. Okay, oh, the red light is on, so we cross the road. Oh, we crossed the road. Thank you. Road in a proper way, and in time means discipline, safety, and then concentration, balance, and then point of interest is the signal, the lights, and the zebra crossing, and then the age is 3.5 to 4 years.
Our next topic full of road. Hush.
ओ क्या हो गया? चलो इसको घर लेके जाते हैं। आ जाओ। इसको चोट लग गई। हम पास में खेल रहे थे, इसको चोट लग गया। क्या हो गया बेटा? तुम कर क्या रही थी? कैसे गिरी?
क्या हो गया?
अम्मी आ रही हूँ। अच्छा बेटा तुम जाके दादी बात चाय ला रही हूँ। बेटा ला रही हूँ मैं फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स।
चाय तो रखो ना, तुम चाय के चक्कर में पड़ी रहती हो।
लाओ बेटा मैं बैंडेज करूँ। मैं बैंडेज कर रही हूँ। कर लेगी आप फिक्र न करें।
लंदन मार्केट खाने में सबको बाजार में रख गए।
बेटा तुम बैंडेज करो, मैं दादी को चाय लेकर आती हूँ।
चाय के पीछे पड़ गई, पानी नहीं दिया बच्चे के लिए।
बेटा जाओ पानी लेकर आओ। दादी के लिए भी लाना। जी अम्मा। बहन के लिए लेकर आओ। दादी नहीं, इसमें थूकी है। हमारी मैम ने हमको सिखाया है कि अपने घर को, अपने मुल्क को साफ रखना चाहिए।
सब ये हमको सिखाएंगी वहाँ फेंके पानी। हाँ मेरे नीचे का गिलास बच्चे के हाथ में दे दिया, मेरे गिलास टूटेगा।
बेटा आराम से।
मैं मेरे लिए जलमात चाहे दुआ की नमाज के टाइम मेरे बच्चे के लिए दुआ करती है।
ये देखिए मोंटेसरी में जाते बच्चे ट्रेन हो जाते हैं। अब देखिए उसने बहन की बैंडेज करिए, ग्लास उठा के लाइए। किसी बच्ची आप फिक्र न करें। आप भी तो कहती हैं कि बच्चों की गड्डी में डाल दो, छोटी उम्र में सब चीज़ सीख जाते हैं। अब मोंटेसरी में जा रहे हैं तो सब कुछ सीख जाएंगे ना। आप नाराज ना हो, सही हो जाएगा सब।
जी चलो मेरा बच्चों, अल्लाह खुश रखे, नसीब वाला बनाए। हम नाराज क्यों हैं? क्यों? दादी प्लीज मान जाए ना। दादी
अम्मा मान जाओ। दादी अम्मा मान जाओ। अब गुस्सा छोड़ो, मान जाओ, मान जाओ।
Courtesy
patients. And age of this act of this use of first aid box will be 4 years onwards.
I'm fine, Auntie. How are you?
I'm also fine. Asma, you are looking very pretty.
Thank you, Auntie.
Asma, I will show you something very interesting today. Would you like to come with me?
Yes, Auntie.
Will you carry this for me? Now watch me very carefully, okay? Look, it's looking very beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie. It's so beautiful.
Okay, would you like to do it yourself?
No, Auntie.
Okay, let's find out. Put the material back.
The task in the VAS and entire team is to develop the aesthetic sense and muscular movements, independence and hand-eye coordination. And the age is 2.5 to 3 years.
The point of interest is color of the flowers and the shape of the flowers. Thank you.
Our activity name is Celebrating the Yellow Day. Our members' name is Aisha, Romana, Zoya, Zaba.
How are you all? How are you, Auntie? I'm also fine. Do you know what are we celebrating today?
Yes, Auntie.
What are we celebrating?
We are celebrating Yellow Day.
Oh, so smart students I have. Okay, have you got any toys?
Yes, Auntie.
What have you brought today?
I have a doll. I have a tree.
Oh wow, such a beautiful toys you got. Do you know today what are you going to do today with me?
No, Auntie.
Do you all want to do something?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, come with me. This is mat. What is it? Mat. What is it?
Lemon.
And what is the color of the lemon?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay now. What is this? Glass. Now I am cutting the lemon. Okay, do anyone wants to help me? Okay, give me the knife. Get Bushra.
Wow!
Look, the color is
Yellow!
Now I am adding some sugar. Now I am squeezing it. Do anyone wants to do it?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, do it. Okay, thank you. Do you all want to taste it?
Yes, Auntie.
Bushra, do you want to taste it?
Oh, it's yummy.
Do you want to taste it?
Wow, sweet.
Thank you. Now you all can go.
Thank you, Auntie.
My members are Farma, Shikhan, and we have got the chance to perform mill activity. And it is daily routine activity. And mostly done by adults. We are performing Abu Katta Mango or holding a knife. So let's invite two little girls and Hina, and their mother is take a bit loudly.
Beena, what are you doing?
I am cutting the mango.
But I think you're not in a proper way. May I help you?
No.
Why not? Please give me the knife.
No, I want to cut it.
Just let me do it.
What are you doing?
Just give me the knife. I wanna try once.
Oh, you make so messy. Look at this. Give it to me.
Give it back to me. Let
Give
me
it
try.
back to me. Nina,
Please give it to me. I wanna try
I want
again.
to do it.
Mama, she is not letting me cut the mango.
Oh my children, why are you fighting? Stop fighting.
Because she's not letting me try. She's not letting me cut the mango. Look how messy she has done.
It's okay, I will tell you how to cut a mango and how to hold a knife. First we have to lay a mat. Give me a knife. See, Cherish and Beena, how nicely I have cut a mango.
Thank you, Mama.
they couldn't arrange for that. So we have this presentation. Okay. Now to cut your nails.
Look at my nails. Auntie, look how big. Nails are big now.
So big.
Yes, you know how to cut our nails. Would you like to come with me? Auntie, show you how to cut our nails. You come with me. This is nail cutting. This is open. Okay? This is so sharp. Yes. Be careful about your finger, beta. Now, auntie nails are short now. This look awkward.
Yes, it's very nice.
Would you like to do it again? This is close. Yes, you have to neat and clean. After our nails cut, then we wash our hand first. Okay?
Presentation is to cut the nails, and the direct aim of this presentation is to improve the muscular movement and coordination of the child. Thank you.
Next is how to make sandwiches.
Presentation to make a sandwich. Our group members are Sumaira Zubair as a Montessori director and Sana as a Montessorian, and I am Shamira Kashif.
That's so pretty. Sana, do you like something very interesting to me? Yes. Okay, let's go. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich. Really? I like it. Let's really can you hold this material for me? Yes. Sana, can you lay down the plastic mat for me? Yes, sure. Sana.
Now Sana, look, watch carefully. This is a knife, and I'm going to spread this chicken spread on it. Like this. Cheese slice? Yes, it is. Sana, can you put it on it?
Yes, are you sure?
Very good. Sana, can you put another one piece on it? Now look, Sana, the sandwich is ready. Do you like to eat it?
No, auntie. Not yet. Can I keep it in my bag?
Yes, you can. Do you have any lunchbox?
Yes, auntie. I can.
Now.
Wow, what a color! Well, yeah. Sarah, now we will do the wind up and take the material back. Can you hold it?
Okay, now the direct aim is how to make a sandwich properly. The indirect, independence, patience, repetition, indirect preparation of mathematics and culture, and grace and courtesy, control of error, improper handling of knife, overhead spreading, fail of chicken spread, and point of interest, make a sandwich, slice of cheese, and age 3.5 to 4 years. Thank you.
Next group is activities name is, and if not, pasting different shapes with the help of glue stick. Any one of you ready?
For the preparation of school bag. Today we are going to do morning activity for the preparation of school bag. Our participants are Nagina, Amna Farooq, Huma Nadeem, Hafiza Rabia and Maria Khalid.
Okay, Mama. Now let's start. Take your break. Can you? Now, wait. Don't put books like that in the way that takes no wait. First, put the books inside. Wait, Mona, wait. Don't tell to Mama. Mama is not feeling well today. I will help you. Please wait. First, look at me how to put the things in my bag. Now I am cooking.
है ना पानी बोलो आधा घंटा लगा रहे हैं पहुँचाने में
Oh, Beta, I was so worried, but you have managed it very easily. Thank you.
The direct aim is the preparation of school bag. The indirect aim is independence, responsibility, order, management, and respect for elders. Point of interest is the shape and proper way of putting things in the bag.
And control of error is spilling of water, proper way of opening and closing of the bag. Thank you.
Period of my group, and we are here to present an EPL activity of how to paste different shapes on a piece of paper. In my group I have four members: Ishwar Billu, Bilkis Munaf, and as a teacher we have Ifat Tehseen, and as a student I have Shiba Akbar. So we are starting with it now.
Good morning, Shiba. How are you?
Good morning, Auntie.
Today, Auntie is going to show you a very interesting activity. Do you like to have some fun?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, let's go and we get the material. First, we should wear apron. Can you help me carry the basket?
Yes, Auntie.
In this activity, I will show you how to paste flowers and leaves on a sheet of paper. Okay? Plastic at first. This is a sheet of paper which we will stick our flowers. Can you see a bottom on it? We have to stick